G'day, mate. Today we are going.
We're up the mountain.
We're up today. We're up the mountain.
The rainforest.
We are going to the rainforest, and we hope to see some wild stuff.
Nice, the tigers in the middle.
Oh my!
Drove through the violence until it all made sense. Still got so many questions.
You're not allowed people here.
People aren't allowed. People with broken hips attend.
That dance.
People who do the can-can. Irish dancers, sorry.
Absolutely.
No.
Comprehended. Used to be looking up. Used to believe in trust. Trust. I used to be optimistic.
We have just finished climbing the mountain after being in the rock pool. I reckon I looked a bit funny.
Hilarious.
There was a leech on my leg that Mum had to
It
wipe off.
wasn't a leech.
Amy's got a wet bum.
But if it makes you happy, then I'll take my pride away.
We have just had our
Chocolate
It's
cake.
very nice. It just crumbled in the mouth, and the cream was on point. And we just gone to buy some fudge from a place where we are that was seen on TV. We're in Tamborine. I got cookies and cream fudge.
I got Tamborine fudge.
And I got fudge. And we ate it all up.
My very safe hands.
Here are the different flavours that I shall be feeding them.
I'm so scared.
They're so good.
3, 2, 1.
Sea salt caramel. Wow! Yay! I know this one. I can't really say anything because I know what it is. Cookies, nuts, Cookies! I can't really say anything because I know what it is.
3, 2, 1.
Tiramisu!
Amy's right, it's Nutella.
What?
This is the fourth one.
Tiramisu!
That was nice. I like that. Wait, so there's only
One. Tamborine! Yes! I get dirty fingers on.
I don't like that.
I put it in. Tiramisu is the worst.
I like tiramisu.
I like the tiramisu and sea salt caramel. Did we tasted the Malteser when the lady gave it to me? She said, do you want it? I was like, yeah, and then I liked it, and now I don't.
That's because sometimes what you see influences on how you taste it.
Aha!
Cream.
Science,
Yeah.
kids.
Really? Bye, girls and boys, to babies and children.